Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to break Hell in the Cell wall in WWE 2K25. First of all, make sure you are in a Hell in a Cell match and have at least one finisher ready. Now get your opponent outside the ring. To do that, use an Irish whip to throw them out of the ring. Then walk your opponent toward the corner of the cell wall at ringside. These corners are the breakable sections. To weaken the wall, keep attacking your opponent near the cell using strikes and grapples. Next, when your finisher is ready and your opponent is near the corner of the wall, press RT plus A on Xbox, R2 plus X on PlayStation and space plus K on PC. This will trigger the cell breaking finisher like a spear or powerbomb through the wall. Once the wall is broken, walk out through the gap by using the movement stick or keys. Now you can climb the Hell in a Cell by walking to it and pressing RB on Xbox, R1 on PlayStation and O on PC. Once on the roof, you can continue fighting and even try to break the top section by using finishers on the center panel of the wall. And yeah, it's that simple to break the wall and climb the cell in WWE 2K25. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.